Himnae. What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day, we're going to study about the word Himnae. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 122. Himnae. Himnae. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is him, the second syllable is ne. Pronounce it with me. Himnae. Himnae. The word himnae is used to say cheer up in an informal manner. Again, it's used to say cheer up. How do we spell himnae in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable him in Hangul, we need to draw first a he character followed by an e character followed by a miyom character. For the second syllable ne, we need to draw first a neon character followed by an e character. And then we just have to combine the Hangul for each of the syllables to form the Hangul of the word himnae. And with that, you've just learned himnae. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 112 to 121. But don't forget, our word for today is word number 122, himnae, which is used to say cheer up in an informal manner. Word number 121 is jebal, and this is used to say please. Word number 120 is joshime, and this is used to say be careful. Word number 119 is copy, and this is the Korean noun for coffee. Word number 118 is pang, and this is the Korean noun for bread. Word number 117 is gogi, and this is the Korean noun for meat. Word number 116 is chowa. This is an adjective used to describe something as good, alright, or likable. Word number 115 is yache, and this is the Korean noun for vegetables. Word number 114 is debak. This is the Korean slang used to express your amazement. Word number 113 is bap, and this is the Korean noun for rice or meal. And the last for our review is word number 112, yongwa, and this is the Korean noun for film or movie. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.